How to manufacture dishwashing liquid. While the exact formulation of dishwashing liquid is proprietary and varies depending on the region in which it is sold, here are some general steps for manufacturing a dishwashing liquid. Mixing the ingredients. The first step in manufacturing a dishwashing liquid is to mix the ingredients together in a large mixing tank. The ingredients typically include surfactants to help clean the dishes, water, and various other additives, such as fragrances, dyes, and preservatives. Heating and homogenizing. Once the ingredients are mixed together, the mixture is heated and homogenized to ensure that all of the ingredients are evenly distributed throughout the mixture. Cooling and filling. After the mixture has been homogenized, it is cooled and then filled into bottles or other containers. The containers are typically labeled and packaged for distribution. Quality control. Throughout the manufacturing process, samples of the liquid are taken and tested to ensure that it meets the company's quality standards. It's important to note that the specific ingredients and manufacturing process for Sunlight liquid may differ from other brands of dishwashing liquid and may also vary depending on the region in which it is sold. Additionally, manufacturing any type of cleaning product requires strict adherence to safety and environmental regulations to ensure the safety of workers and consumers and to minimize the impact on the environment. Here are the steps for mixing the ingredients to make dishwashing liquid. Weighing the ingredients. The first step is to weigh out the required amounts of each ingredient. This is typically done using precision scales to ensure that the recipe is accurate. Adding water. The first ingredient added to the mixing tank is typically water. Water makes up the bulk of the dishwashing liquid and helps to dissolve the other ingredients. Adding surfactants. The surfactants are added next. These are the ingredients that help to break down grease and food particles on dishes. Surfactants are typically added in the form of liquids or powders. Adding other additives. Once the surfactants are added, any other desired additives such as fragrances, dyes, and preservatives are added to the mix. These ingredients are typically added in small amounts and are carefully measured